Ask it to play a song. Done. That answer came back in under 100 milliseconds, with 0 AI calls. Tier 1, the Reflex layer, a pattern table wired straight to the tools. Same chat box, 3 different brains. Tier 2, instinct. 1 question, 1 model call. This is Gemma 4, streaming every token from the card as it's made. No cloud round trip, the model lives here. Tier 3, deliberation. A request with steps in it gets a plan, tools, and a thinking trail you can read. Real deliberation takes real seconds. We're not speeding the tape up. And notice what it did not do. I mentioned an image just now. It didn't reach for the image generator. Knowing when not to use a tool is the hard part. Every power feature is 1 keystroke away. Imagine, agent, voice, model. And custom commands you define yourself, in plain English, over in rules. /imagine, a stone lighthouse at dawn. The image studio answers right in the thread, same card, same machine. Episode 5 goes deep on this. Chat isn't a page you visit, it's a card you carry. Here's the video studio, and the same chat floating over it. It knows which page you're on too. Any reply can be read aloud. 1 click and a local voice reads it back. That voice never leaves this machine either. Episode 7 builds one from scratch. You can teach it. Begin a lesson, ask, and when an answer gets it right, thumbs up. That's a pearl. End the lesson, and it distills the pearls into a summary you can edit. Future conversations read it back. You taught it something once in plain English. One more thing. Hand the chat a file, and it's indexed before you've finished typing your question. So, where do files actually live in Guaardvark? Next episode, your files get a desktop. 1 machine, no cloud.